YouTube success is not all about luck. It's not about just posting videos and hoping that the algorithm sends people your way. YouTube is about knowledge and using that knowledge to improve at every video you create. Even Mr. Beast has said this.
It's all knowledge. It really is. I could start a new channel tomorrow with not using my face or my voice, like without ever promoting it, and in 6 months have 20 million subscribers. I just could. Yeah. It's purely knowledge.
But what if you were able to get that knowledge in faster? Learning how to learn fast and learning how to get that knowledge in faster is going to be one of the keys to success with AI coming. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to get that knowledge in faster and learn YouTube faster. So method number one is breaking down other videos. So when you watch a video that you liked on YouTube, or you see a video you think you might like, you can go ahead and grab the transcript of it from the description and then paste it into ChatGPT. And once it's in here, what you're going to do is you're going to ask it to create an outline of that video for you. And when it creates the outline, it'll break the video down into small pieces so that while you're watching, you'll be able to understand it better. You'll understand what that creator is doing to make their video so good. And you're going to need to do this because it's going to stop you from doom scrolling. You're not just going to keep scrolling, watching video after video and not really learning anything. When you break the video down like this, you're going to actually understand why these videos are working. And when I've done this, I've realized how much I actually missed out on. So when you do this, you're going to realize how much you can actually take to your own videos. Method number two is using AI to learn how to script the right way. Do not use AI to write word for word scripts because it's going to come out bland and it's going to sound stupid. But what you can do instead is create an outline that you want to use for your video and then input it into ChatGPT and ask it to generate you talking points for each part of that outline. It's going to be so much better because you can actually pick what you want to take into your script. And for me, this has honestly been one of the best uses of ChatGPT because it helps you get out of staring at a blank screen. Because unless you're in love with writing, when you're sitting there and you're staring at a blank screen and you're trying to think of anything, all of a sudden you're going to start telling yourself that you're stupid because you can't come up with any ideas. But when I've done this method, it allows my creativity to come out because I have so much stuff that I have in my brain and I just need that one small idea to get it out. So the more scripts that you get out, you're actually going to learn how to write a good script versus just staring there, not making any progress. You're not going to be a perfectionist anymore. You're going to actually make progress in becoming a good scriptwriter. And the final method is for those who are beginners at YouTube. So I've realized as a beginner, one of the best ways to learn is by just getting videos out. But when you're a beginner, you're trying to figure out your topic that you want to talk about, your niche. You have a whole bunch of things that you have to figure out before you can even create a video. So if you need help with that, then you can just use this prompt. I am a beginner in YouTube interested in learning how to create videos. To do this, I need to know how to create great videos. Could you give me some beginner video ideas to help strengthen my skills as a content creator? And if you want this prompt, it's going to be in the pinned comment below. And please feel free to tweak it however you want to best help you learn. And this is really going to help you because to learn YouTube, you have to create videos over and over. And to do that, you need a whole bunch of ideas. And at the start of my journey, sometimes the ideas just were not there and I could not create over and over. But if you're using this, you will not get stuck on that part of it. You're going to have the foundation that you're going to need to build on top of. So please, new creators, do not get caught being a perfectionist and trying to make the perfect video because unless you have created 100 videos, none of them are going to be perfect. It's just not going to happen. Use this, create a whole bunch of videos, and then eventually you're going to understand what works. And all of this stuff is groundbreaking new ways to learn YouTube. But the thing is, there's going to be two types of people that watch this video. There's going to be the watchers, the people who watch this video, see all this groundbreaking stuff and this game-changing stuff, and they're going to do nothing about it. And then in 10 years, they're going to look back and wish that they would have done something because this is as big as when the internet was on its rise. And then there's going to be the doers, the people that watch this video and all of the other ways that AI is being used in content, and they're going to make the most of it. Even if it's not specifically the stuff that I talked about in this video, I want you to just dive in and find ways to apply this new technology. Because if you have faith that this can work for you and you find any way that you can to apply it, then you are going to succeed.